Hello everybody. Well, I have some seeds that I'm preparing for fall, so I just want to show you what I got going on this year. This is Chinese cabbage. Soybeans are edamame. My daughter likes to make this, so we're constantly buying it. I'd rather just grow it ourselves. This is wasabi arugula. Brussels sprouts, cabbage, I cry with you, son. I do. I have more cabbage, kale. Which kale is that? Nero di tostada kale. And then I have another kale. This one is just Trangahunda. And then I got these for free, carrots. I've grown carrots before, and I am not too crazy about it because they take forever, and sometimes you have like these long stem and these little carrots. So I really don't buy them, but I still end up getting them for free. So those are some plants, some seeds that will grow in the cool seasons of fall. Right now it's September, so I'm going to plant them soon. I'm in North Florida, so it basically does not get that cold. It might get 55 on a good winter, but I just want to keep the party going throughout the year. Alright, if you have any questions, just go ahead and post. Like, subscribe. Take care.